Hi friends, welcome to our channel Movie Logger. Today let's see the review of the movie Nishabdam, Aka Silence. It's a trilingual movie shot in Telugu, Tamil and English. Movie, since it is shot dominantly in Telugu and Tamil, the star casts are R. Madhavan, Anushka Shetty, Shalini Pandey, Subbulaju and Anjali in the lead roles, and we do have American television and movie stars. As the movie suggests, Nishabdam or silence. I don't know whether it is told to the audience or whether the movie is subject. Nonetheless, I'm going to tell you the story and you kind of decide about it. R. Madhavan is a leading musician. At the same time, Anushka Shetty is an artist. Now these two come together, like each other and they are engaged. But the story takes a turn when Anushka Shetty needs a painting which is in an haunted house demanded by a rich person, takes the help of R. Madhavan and goes to the haunted house. And mysteriously R. Madhavan is killed and Anushka Shetty becomes the witness. Let me introduce Anushka Shetty is physically challenged in this movie. She is deaf and dumb. She can neither talk nor hear. Now, as you know, the story is in a halt. Anjali comes in as Maha to investigate the matters. What happens next forms the entire story. I'll tell you step by step. As I said, since R. Madhavan is killed in mysterious circumstance and she is left as the only witness, the investigation is in a halt. Now police during the investigation try to understand what might have gone wrong and come across Sakshi's friend Sonali, whom is very possessive of the character, and then decide to follow her. But unfortunately, the entire plot takes another turn when they come to know Sonali is one of the girls who has gone missing along with many other in the same locality. Now the police have already reached a dead end in this case, and we also come to know that they are not able to figure out why these girls are going missing. Still, police take a chance and try to chase Sonali and find the truth. But during this process, they reenact the crime with the help of Sakshi, aka Anushka Shetty. Now during the enactment, Maha comes to know that her own boss has some hand in this crime. Okay, what happens next? Who is with what? And in the interval, Subbulaju and Anushka Shetty revealing some parts of the movie is a reason for you to watch this movie. But however, the dark side shown to Madhavan and Anushka Shetty's acting is under par to their experience and everything that we know they have done in the industry. Now you all saw the plot. Now let me tell you the positives. See, the positives are the movie really didn't make me feel as if I was watching a local movie or a regional movie. It made me see the landscape, the cinematography, everything took me to a foreign land. So the movie really was good and some of the horror scenes were good. So the movie positive is just this. But coming to the negative, we know the lover boy Madhavan. We know the villainous character he has played previously in Telugu movies. But his role, his script, his character hasn't been written well. So I cannot go with the character. And the same way, Anushka Shetty has just become a stone-faced character. Rather than, Bahubali charm, we have seen her multiple movies which hasn't come way. And Subbulaju, we know how jovial person he can be or a rowdy character he can be. But in this, he was randomly used. So I wouldn't rate. So it is everything negative. But just to add another positive, music and the background. They take you to the place and bring you back to the next scene. That was amazing. And Anjali, to be very frank, she has maintained body well. So I think cheer up for her. Rest, movie is a hypothetical movie. Whatever reasons villain has, you cannot say it is right or wrong. So director and the writer need to work on that. Apart, movie deserves a watch. Please do go to Amazon Prime and watch it once. Thank you.